Hello. Thanks a lot for visiting my channel, Simon Felix Indoor and Outdoor Gardening. So today I will show you how to plant plums and also lemons on a little biscuit container. Okay, so you need the compost. I bought it at B&Q. I'm living in the United Kingdom. It is ready-made. I bought it around £4.55. But before, way back at 10 years ago, 2 liters or 4 liters, they're selling around £1.48. And now it cost me £4.55. But this is 40 liters. Yeah. So we need this. The second, we need a biscuit look container. Yeah, plastic. I did not punch a hole because I'm just using this to plant the seedling to germinate, yeah, to make the seed sprout grow. So when it goes to at least 4 inches, then I will move and transplant it on my garden. So all you need to do is just put it near my side. Okay, I will carry this now. It's quite heavy because it's 40 kilos. Yeah, put that besides me. Then put little by little. Then I need to fill this up little by little. And take a look at the compost. Bring it there. Okay. Fill it up. Yeah. Not too much. Yeah. I'm also making my own compost. But later I will show you also how I do it in another video. Yeah. So that's it. Fill it up. The next, the other one. This is a chocolate treats also. Box that you like to push that to fill it up too. Yeah. Another one. Compost. Yeah. Okay. The next is we need to spread it. Yeah. Spread it. Spread the compost soil. Then make a little hole. The problem is my finger is big, so what I need to do is get some stick. Yeah, get some stick on here. I think this is much better. This much better. Okay, so make a tiny hole here. The middle, on the sides. We plant lemon first. Next is, sorry for the background, yeah. Then next, because I need to put everything here, so I need to use every available space. Okay, another one. Put it there. This one. Another one. There. Then still got lots of lemons, so because what happened is I will use this first to make the seed germinates. Then once it germinates and it's grown up, I will move and transfer it, yeah, to container or here uh, in my garden, okay? So let's make another hole, one there, here, 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 another, yeah, here, there too. Let's use every available space to fill all this. Okay, then another seeds, another seeds in the side. That one here, here too, and that's right. So I still got what's this? Still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think, yeah, I can still put it here. Yeah, insert it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see what will happen now to accommodate all the seeds. Okay. Then next, this side, that side, this one, and another two. And lastly, sorry, it's blurred because I'm getting tired. My finger. Okay, let's put it here. Then now let's go to the plum. 1, do the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and one in the middle. So, okay, put the plum. This is a good, nice plum, yeah. call it red sweet plum. Okay, just fill it up. This is enjoyable, especially when it grows. And finally, you will eat the fruits because it is written in the Bible that a lazy man will make his garden full of grasses and thorns. So if you're lazy, you will not reap a good harvest. Yeah, this is why you will reap what you sow. If you sow laziness, you will harvest nothing. This is why we need to sow good things. Yeah, another this side. Yeah. So let us put that four. Make sure that all dries, yeah, before you plant it, so that it will easily germinate. Because if this is not dry, our enemies, the ant, because it's sweet, it will eat in the jelly, yeah, the jelly. So for the last five, so let us insert it here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So the last seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last but not least, this one, 5. So now all you need to do is close it, close, closed, yeah, closed it, close these two. Do not let any seed not cover. You need to cover everything. Here, close it, close. So when it started to germinate, you need to add more soil, yeah, more compost. So after you have done that, once you've done that, yeah, one is done. So what you need to do is water. But this water is no ordinary water because this is a vitamin water. I make it by cutting 4 pieces of banana peel and 1 liter of water and soak it for 8 hours during the night. Then in the morning, get the water, then use it, spray it, yeah? So we need to wet, wet it, yeah. Okay, just make it sure that it's wet, yeah? Then let it be exposed during the night. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's how easy to plant using compost, a lemon, and a plum. So I'll show you now, before I go, the plum I planted 2 year, 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. It will be 2 years comes July of this year. Yeah, I asked that grafted seed from a friend who moved house. So this is it now. You see, it's a big, nice plum. Yeah, this is my plum. Almost 2 years. You see, it's grown up. Almost 2 years. Yeah, it's grown up. This is a plum. Strong, beautiful. It's a sweet green plum. Nice, sweet green plum. I planted here 4, but 2 died. But only this one and the other one survived. I'll show you the other one. Yeah. So what happened is, this is the one that died. You see? That one. And the other one, this, didn't sprout. But the second, the last of the 4, I planted here. I plant. It's almost 2 years by July. It's a sweet green plum. Yeah? This is how easy to plant these fruits. Get the seedlings. Yeah? The big trunks of the plum. All you need to do, any seed coming out of the trunks, cut it, then replant it. So within 2 years by July, because I had moved on this house last 2018, so this will be the result. Yeah, I pray and I hope that you enjoy my video, and I will let you see more this coming days, God willing. Yeah, I pray and hope too that you will subscribe. Again, I need to go now, and I pray that you will subscribe and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye for now. Bye. God bless, and always take good care of yourself and also your garden. And do the planting first indoor. When the seed grows, then go out and plant it on your garden. Yeah. Cover it if that is small, still small, because you know the birds will eat it. The birds will eat the roots. You need to have a covering, especially in this place. I experience it here. Yeah, I experience it here that I need to take care the labor that I did. I want to make sure that the vegetable and the plants I planted will grow, and someday I will reap what I sow. Again, thanks a lot and God bless. Thanks for visiting me. Hope to see you soon. God bless. Bye for now. Goodbye.